The gradient of a curve is given by dy by dx is 12x squared minus 6x plus 7, and the curve passes through the point minus 210. Find the equation of the curve. So we've got that the gradient function is 12x squared minus 6x plus 7. So this is called the gradient function. So in order to find y, we need to, the equation of the curve, we're going to have to integrate this. So the general formula for integration is ax to the n dx, the integral of, is equal to ax, you add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, and then add a c. That's provided n is not equal to minus 1. So setting up the integral, y will be the integral of 12x squared minus 6x plus 7 dx, integrating term by term, so we're going to have, so applying this formula to each of these terms. So it's going to be 12x cubed divided by the new power 3, minus 6x squared divided by 2, and if you integrate a constant, you get a 7x. And then we add a constant of integration. And simplifying that, we're going to get y is equal to 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x plus c. Now this is called the general equation of this gradient function. And what you get is what's known as a family curve. So here we've got the general equation. At the moment c is minus 100, okay? And if I move the slider, what we get is what's known as a family of curves. Okay, so all these can be represented by 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x, and then plus some other value on the end. In fact, these are going up in steps of 4. Obviously, there's an infinite amount of curves. So this is called a family of curves. These are all the general solutions to that differential equation. So to find the value c, which is what we need to do, we've got some information. We know it passes through the point minus 210. So the curve passes through minus 210. So what we do is when y is 10, x is minus 2. So we're going to have 10 is equal to 4 times minus 2 cubed, minus 3 times minus 2 squared, plus 7 times minus 2, plus c. So working that out, we're going to get 10, 4 times minus 2, which is minus 2 cubed, which is minus 8, minus 3 times minus 2 squared, which is 4, 7 times minus 2 is minus 14, plus c. So we're going to have 10, minus 32 from here, minus 12, minus 14, plus c, and that gives 10 is equal to minus 58 plus c, and therefore c will be equal to 68. So therefore, the equation of the curve is going to be y is 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x plus 68. So this is called a particular solution from this differential equation. So going back to the applet, if we click here, so the particular function that we wanted, so we click in there, okay, we can see the red one here. This is the curve 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x plus 68. Okay, so this is the particular solution that we actually wanted. So if I just shake this, okay, then we can see that the red one is the particular solution, and the green ones are what's known as the family of curves. These are the general solutions. There's an infinite number of them. Okay, those are all the ones between minus 100, y being between minus 100 and 100, going up in steps of 4. Okay, so final solution, y is equal to 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x plus 68. And I thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have understood.